Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Jones soda. This one here is an orange soda. The Jones has cane sugar instead of artificial fructose sugar. It doesn't have a lot of ingredients in it, and it tastes pretty good, and it's just like a regular soda. I'm going to pour some out here for you so you can see it fills up and see how it looks in the cup. But I do recommend this product. I like to drink these sodas, and let's see what this looks like. You can see it fizzes up just like regular soda, and it tastes really good. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope that this review helps.